Dinobot, maximize! Dinobot, maximize!
Gentlemen, my brother from the Instagram PD Saber designed our childhood cartoon, which is the Beast Wars, the Dinobots from the Beast Wars. It looks so great, and I can't wait for him to do the Optimus Primal, the Gorilla. This will be a very simple repaint because I'm not a professional. I don't really accept the job because I don't think I'm good enough to help customer to repaint. But for my friends, I actually help them to repaint it for free or for a very little amount or contribution fee because I spend a lot of time and effort to print it. So let's take a closer look on my latest 3D print.
Don't break me down, babe.
The designer of these Dinobots of Beast Wars, PD Saber. You can follow him on his Instagram. He got a lot of awesome works, and his price is quite affordable. It's on CG Trader too.
Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm lonely, maybe I hate you, baby, maybe I love you. But there's no secrets, the ones that killing me. You blind on my weakness, the ones that please you in. My love is like the ocean, my life is like a dream. I'll give you my emotion, so baby just talk to me. Don't make me down, baby. I'm losing my mind now, baby. I've tried so hard, yeah, to find a way to your heart, to your heart. Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm lonely, maybe I hate you, baby, maybe I love you, love you. My love is like the ocean, so baby just talk to me.